Your drain is clogged and you need to buy a drain opener. But how do you decide which product best suits your needs? Keep watching to learn about price and more. It can be tough to choose the right drain opener because there are a lot of factors to consider. Which type of pipes you have, what item has clogged your drain, and of course, the price of the product. Let's start by making sure you choose a product that will work. Different drain openers have different active ingredients, but they will often contain sulfuric acid or sodium hydroxide. These active ingredients can target different causes of clogged drains. For example, sulfuric acid is great for breaking down cotton and paper products, whereas sodium hydroxide works well on fats, oils, and greases, as well as organics. How much does a drain opener cost? At State Chemical, we sell a variety of drain openers. There's a price variance between the different options due to the different active ingredients, some of which are more expensive than others. In 2024, a pack of 12 drain openers costs about $300 to $600. If you buy a single bottle, the price per ounce is about $1.50 to $4. However, buying a pack of 12 reduces the cost to $1 to about $2.75 per ounce. Note that these prices don't include the cost of shipping or taxes. Your invoice will clearly state the price of the product, the shipping, and the tax. Why are State Chemical drain openers more expensive than those in retail stores? State Chemical drain openers are more expensive per bottle than those in retail because they're industrial grade. This means that our products tend to be more concentrated than those found in stores or on Amazon or other e-commerce sites. This also means that our products tend to be cheaper per use than those found in big box stores because the industrial strength requires much less product per use. Additionally, the $300 to $600 price range that you pay for the 12-pack of drain openers includes more than just the bottle of product. When you buy from State Chemical, we provide you with subject matter expertise as well as training. We'll show you the most effective way to use the product, including how to properly apply a product to your drain and how to properly wear your PPE. While it may be tempting to buy the cheapest product State Chemical offers, we recommend that price not be the sole determinant of which product you buy. There are a variety of factors to consider when buying a drain opener. First, you must consider which product will be effectively unclogging the blockage in your drain. Different active ingredients target different types of drain clogs, so you should choose the product that will best target the buildup in your drain. Second, you should consider the age and type of pipe that you have. For example, an acid-based product may deteriorate an already rusty cast iron pipe. Additionally, all drain openers require you to wear personal protective equipment to protect against burns if the product splashes back on you. However, some products have a higher risk of splashback and will cause more severe burns than others. Thus, you can consider the risks of severe burns when buying a drain opener. To purchase a State Chemical drain opener, visit www.stateindustrial.com, hit the Contact Us button, and fill out the form, and a representative will reach out to help you find the best product to unclog your drain.